Hey guys, welcome to another neighborhood tour. My name's Matt Bogosian. I'm actually a real estate agent in Franklin, Tennessee, and I'm gonna take you guys to a neighborhood called Water's Edge. And right now I am driving on a road called Carothers. I'm coming over a bridge here. This is a great area, by the way. Tons of different neighborhoods that I'm hoping to show you guys in the future. So make sure that you click the subscribe button right now so you see those videos when they come out. So driving right along, this is actually Water's Edge to the left of me. I'm gonna go in the main entrance for you guys. As you can see, I mean, there's houses just everywhere. Over to the right, there's different neighborhoods, but I wanna show you this one today. New construction, I believe, is complete, or they're finishing up on the last lots now. So there you go, you got a really nice entrance here. The stone entrance sign and all the trees. I'm gonna go straight here and then I'm gonna hook a left and I'll take you kind of along the perimeter. So as you take a left here, to my left is actually the clubhouse and the pool area. There's a playground and it is beautiful. I'll pull in the parking lot to kind of give you guys a quick view of that. So that's the pool area right there in front of me. And then down here, you've got a playground and you've got like a little gazebo area where you can cook out and hang out with friends and family and do whatever. Lots of green space. They do really well with the landscaping here, I've noticed. Lots of like pretty flowers. Oh, they've got one of those like mushrooms for the kids where the water comes out. There's a little like kids splash pad right there. And then you've got the little information center and there's a gym in there. And so let's check out these houses. So the majority, if not all of these homes were built by a builder called Goodall Homes. And I've actually personally lived in 2 Goodall Homes now, and they do a phenomenal job. So I'm on the very outer edge, and I just want to kind of give you guys a good feel for what it's like here, and kind of so you can kind of see what the neighborhood's like and what the houses look like, and see if it might be a good fit for you. So this neighborhood has, just to kind of give you guys an idea, because you're probably looking in front of me and you see these townhomes. This neighborhood has a mix of townhomes and homes, and they really vary in size. Like, for instance, you can get a 2-bedroom townhome here. You can get a 4-bedroom townhome, and you can get a 4-bedroom house. So now I'm in one of the alleyways behind the houses, which these are pretty neat to me because if you have kids and you're worried about traffic and, you know, cars and there just being too much of that for your children, you can let them ride their bikes back here and play and not have to worry about it. So we got some more townhomes here. I'm just gonna take you guys for a quick tour back here. Kind of give you an idea. So this is the back alleyway. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around. There we go. Perfect. Looks like someone's got some shingle issues. All right, back on to Scouting Drive. house on the right. I love a white painted house. Somebody walking their dog. Oh, you know what? Oh, look at, there's lots of green space. So now we're looking at some houses here. Looks like they all have fairly long driveways. Look at that, guys. There will be more lots here. Look straight ahead. They are developing more lots. It doesn't look like they are close to being done, but that'll probably be ready in like 2022. So this is a cool little spot right here. You've got a huge green space area to my right, and then all these homes just face it, which is really nice. It's nice not to have somebody across the street from you. We are back on Scouting Drive. Some more homes. Oh, nice corner lot. Those corner lots can be sweet. You get a lot of space. Take a turn here. This might dead end. This is Singing Creek Drive. Singing Creek. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna dead end. But we can kind of take a peek at this new construction area while we're down here. Oh, maybe it doesn't dead end. Oh yeah, look at that. There will be more lots. So now I am on Lily Drive. And Water's Edge is right off of Carothers in Franklin, and it's really easy to get to 65. It's really easy to get into like downtown Franklin, or if you want to get to Cool Springs, not hard at all. So we're on Crisp Spring Drive. I love the names of these streets here. I don't know who comes up with those. I guess the developer, you just get to name them whatever you want. That's cool. They should have Matt Bogosian Road, Lane, Way. All right, back to Scouting Drive. They have a good mixture too of homes that are built with hardy siding, like the two that are across the street in front of me. And then they also have brick. So lots of different styles. I love hardy siding, like a dark hardy siding with white trim. I think that's a pretty cool look. Little park bench and some green space right there. Also, I always make a comment about this. I've got my GoPro set up on Super View, so it might make it look like I'm driving faster than I am. So I am staying the speed limit, which is 20 miles an hour. Oh, so now this is Flowing Creek Drive. I'm gonna go left. I'm on Flowing Creek Drive. Some brick houses here. Ooh, I do not want to hit that manhole cover. All right. Some more lots. There's some more lots to my right. I wonder when those will come for sale. Then you hit right here where they're developing. I'll tell you, here in Tennessee right now, the builders cannot keep up with the demand. So we've never seen this. In the past, you could come to a place like Water's Edge pretty easily, and you could walk in and they'd say, yeah, we have 10 or 15 lots to choose from, and you'd walk around and then you'd pick your floor plan and you'd buy your house. You'd get under contract and be good to go. It's not like that right now. You have to get on a wait list, and then as things come available, they just start calling the people on that wait list and whoever was in line first and steps up and brings an earnest money check is the one that gets it. So it's not really, it hasn't been fun. We got some townhomes here to the right. I mean, as far as prices, I hate to even say pricing because it's changing so rapidly right now. But most of the townhomes in 2021 are falling in that 400 range. Maybe they're creeping into the lower 500s now for the townhomes. And then your homes are just gonna be anywhere up from there. You know, you could be looking at upper 5s, 6s, 7s. It really just depends. But their townhomes are really cool. I actually have some clients that just purchased one, and it's a really well thought out floor plan. And you can get the master down, and there's a huge storage area, or you can have that storage area built out, which is neat. And they do a pretty good job of making these look kind of different for the most part. I'm gonna go right. What street is this? So, yeah, once again, guys, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. That way you can kind of keep up to date when the next driving tour or maybe home buying or selling tips video that I put out comes out, and you can take advantage of the information I'm providing. All right, so this is Mainstream Drive. I feel like I already know, I have not come out right here. I'm gonna go across. I'm on Laughing Brook Drive. Oh my gosh, who'd have thought? I'm gonna name it that. Yeah, it's a beautiful neighborhood. I love when they put plenty of trees in. I always think like, so it's a fairly new neighborhood. It hasn't been around for a super long time. I don't know the exact year this neighborhood was started, but it'll be cool when all these trees get mature. I mean, that might take 10 or 15 years, but it'll really look nice. Okay, this is Headwaters Drive. Okay. I'll go left here. Okay, I see where we are. And then you got the playground in front here. I think it would be cool. Would you guys like to see the pool a little closer? Let me see if I can do this. This might be tough to do, but I'd love to show you guys the pool. Let's see what we can do. I'm a guest. I know a lot of you probably have kids, and it's kind of neat to see. Oh yeah, I think this is working. All right. It's neat to see the pool. I wish it would let me flip it. It won't. So, all right, let me flip it right here. As you can see, it's got that beach entry. There's a little covered area right there. And then you've got the deeper pool. Wow, they have a really nice area for kids right there. You can see it basically goes to right there where you can just kind of hang out, and then there's stairs right there. Really nice. Let's go look at let's check out the splash pad. Most pools are open right now too in Tennessee. It's May. So then you got this splash pad right here. And the playground. So, anyways, hopefully that was helpful for you guys. I'm probably gonna just end the video here. I've shown you guys everything. I feel like you guys got a good idea of what this neighborhood's like. If you'd like to call me or talk to me about other neighborhoods or this neighborhood and just discuss moving to Tennessee or maybe upgrading your house here in Tennessee, I've got a link below in the description where you can set a quick phone call appointment with me. So go ahead and use that. And like I said, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel so you see all my videos come up. And thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you next time. Bye.